Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. This is your teacher, Ms. Sidra Iqbal. Again with the subject of Foreign Policy of Pakistan, a new lecture which we are going to discuss today. Today we will discuss the World War One. World War One is also, I divided this topic into two lectures. First of all, in this lecture, I will discuss as possible things. Today we discuss about the date of the World War One, location of the World War One, belligerents, what are the causes behind the World War One, the events took place at the time of the World War One, what's the outcomes and results of the World War One. Then we will discuss the aftermaths. So first of all, we need to understand World War One, contemporaneously described as the word to end all wars. The war to end all wars. It led to the mobilization of more than 70 million military personnel, including 60 million Europeans, making it one of the largest war in history. It is also one of the deadliest conflict in history. Visualize IR as constant struggle of power among states, formation of new countries in Europe and the Middle East. The date of the World War One. World War One lasted from 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918. It is a time period of almost 4 years. It started from 28 July 1914 and ended 11 November 1918. Location: Europe, Africa, the Middle East, the Pacific Island, China, India, Indian Ocean, North and South Atlantic Oceans. These are the locations of the World War One during the period of 1914 to 1918. The main belligerents of the World War One is Allied power: France, British Empire, Russia, Serbia, United States, Japan, Belgium, Italy, Greece and others. Central powers are Germany, Austria, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria and co-belligerents. The main causes of the World War One. First of all, political impacts of French Revolution from 1789 to 1799. German plus Italy alliance against France and wanted to give Napoleon through time. German adopted the policy to isolate France. In 1806, 16 states of France annexed by German and became a central power. Dangerous for France. German adopt the policy to isolate France. So, German open alliance Austria, Hungary, Russia, Germany. They said if France attack any country, the other two help the country against France. Help that country against France. अब हुआ ये था कि पॉलिटिकल इम्पैक्ट जो थे 1789 टू 1799 जर्मन इटली जो थे उनका एक अलायंस बना था अगेंस्ट फ्रांस एंड दे वांटेड टू गिव नेपोलियन थ्रू टाइम टफ टाइम. जर्मन ने एक पॉलिसी ली कि वो फ्रांस को आइसोलेट कर देगा क्योंकि 1806 में 16 स्टेट्स जो थी फ्रांस की उन्होंने जर्मन से अलग हुई और एक सेंट्रल पावर बनी. जर्मन ने इसको आइसोलेट करने की पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट की और एक ओपन अलायंस बनाया जो कि था जर्मन, रशिया और ऑस्ट्रो हंगेरिया के दरमियान. उन्होंने कहा कि अगर फ्रांस किसी एक कंट्री पे अटैक करता है दूसरी दोनों कंट्रीज़ जो हैं वो उसका साथ देंगी. इन 1873 to 1877 war with Ottoman Empire and Russia. 1877 Russia conflict, Black Sea clashes between Russia and Germany came on October 7 October 1879. Alliances, secret alliance between Germany, Austro-Hungary, which also known as dual alliance, imperialism, materialism, and nationalism. Assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand. In 1881, Caesar of Russia revived the alliance of 1873, but on the condition if France attack any country, no country attack on France and became neutral. In 1881, Russia know about secret alliance of Germany and broke the alliance. Reinsurance treaty was signed in 1887. Clashes between secret alliance. Foreign policy of Germany made dangerous the interests of Austro-Hungary. So the Mediterranean Agreement in 1887 It was a peace agreement between UK, Italy, Austria-Hungary. In 1888, Russia signed a treaty with France, military or economic agreement. In 1891 to 1893, German adopted the policy to isolate France, but with the passage of time, he isolated himself. Russia interest lost from German. France became powerful. Austro-Hungary began insecure and lost had clashed with German. In 1903, Baghdad railway established. These incidents or these causes became the actually German want to isolate France, so it make the alliance with Russia. जर्मन जो है वो चूँकि फ्रांस की 16 स्टेट्स ने उससे आज़ादी ली थी, तो अब वो नेपोलियन को टफ टाइम देना चाह रहे थे और जो है वो फ्रांस को आइसोलेट करना चाह रही थी, बट उसने रशिया और जर्मनी हंगरी और इनके साथ एक ड्यूल अलायंस बनाया। बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम रशियन इंटरेस्ट जो हैं वो ब्लैक सी की वजह से उसके और जर्मन के कुछ क्लैशेस आ जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से रशिया फ्रांस के साथ एग्रीमेंट कर लेता है। ऑस्ट्रो हंगेरिया इनसिक्योर होता है और वो पीछे हट जाता है और जर्मनी के साथ उसके भी क्लैश होते हैं। इस तरह से आकर रशिया जो है जो फ्रांस को आइसोलेट करना चाह रहा था, अब वो खुद आइसोलेशन की तरफ चला जाता है। सो France signed an agreement with Britain coordinate in 1901. German or Britain clashes started. Triple intended allies in 1907, Britain, UK and France. So there is two groups. Group A, France, UK, Russia signed treaty with Italy. Group B, German, Ottoman Empire and Austro-Hungary. So let's have the discussion on events. In 1914, first event in June 28, Orderic Franz Ferdinand, prince to the Austria-Hungary throne, is assassinated in Sarajevo by a Serbian named Gervilo Principe. The second event held at July 23, Austria-Hungary make demand on Serbia for retribution. Serbia does not meet demands. The third event at July 28, Austria-Hungary declares war on Serbia. Russia begins mobilizing its troops. The next is August 1, Germany declared war on Russia. August 4, Germany invaded Belgium. Britain declared war on Germany. August 23 to 30, the German defeat the Russian Second Army. September 5 to 12, the advancing German army is stopped before Paris by the British and France at the First Battle of the Marne. The German dig in and 4 years of trench warfare begins. October 19 to November 92, the Allies defeat the Germans. At November 2, the British began a naval blockade of Germany. At November 11, the Ottoman Empire declared war on Allies. In 1915 February, the Germans began to use some submarine against Allied merchant ship around the island of the Britain. April 25, the Allies attacked the Ottoman Empire at the Battle of Gallipoli. This campaign will last over 8 months and will end as a victory for the Ottomans and the retreat of the Allies. May 7, the Lusitania, a luxury British passenger ship, is sunk by a German submarine. 1195 civilians were killed. This act sparked international outrage and contributed to the United States joining the war against Germany. October 14, Bulgaria enters the war by declaring war on Serbia. 1916, February 21, the Battle of Verdun began between France and Germany. This battle will last until December of 1916 and will finally result in French victory. The Battle of Verdun began between France and Germany. This battle will last until December of 1916 and will finally result in a French victory. May 31st, the largest naval battle of the war, the Battle of Jutland, is fought between Britain and Germany in the North Sea. The next event held in July 1, the Battle of the Somme begins. Over 1 million soldiers will be wounded or killed. The events of 1970s, January 19, the British intercept the Zimmermann telegram in which Germans tried to convince Mexico to join the war. This will result in the United States declaring war on Germany. March 18, March 8 March, the Russian Revolution begins. The Tsar Nicholas II is removed from power on March 15. April 6, the United States enters the war, declaring war on Germany. At the November 7, the Bolshevik led by Vladimir Lenin overthrew the Russian government. December 17, the Russians agreed to peace with the Central Powers and leave the war. In the year of 1918, firstly, 8th January, President Woodrow Wilson issues his 14 points for peace and an end to the war. March 21, Germany launches the spring offensive, hoping to defeat the Allies before reinforcements from the United States can be deployed. July 15, the Second Battle of the Marne begins. This battle will end on August 6 as decisive victory for the Allies. At November 11th November, Germany agrees to an armistice and the fighting comes to an end at 11 am on the 11th day of the 11th month of 1918. Hope you can understand the events. These events held in 4 years of the World War I. But the last one is June 28, the Treaty of Versailles, which is called the Black Treaty, is signed by Germany and World War I comes to an end. I hope you can understand the events of the World War One. Next, we will continue it in our next lecture. I hope you can understand. If you have any problem or any query, students, you can ask through comment or text me. Good luck. We will continue the World War One in our next lecture. Okay, good luck. Wish you good luck. Thank you.